Hello YouTube. Now let's the adventure begin. My name is Tor and I'm going to build a boat. And we have an adventure to do. So why not start outside the door? Well, my house is there. But I'm outside, enjoying this beautiful nature. We have high mountains. I don't know if you can capture how high they are, but they're nice to walk on. So, and here I am in the shadow. It's winter time. We have a big mountain hiding the sun, but we can watch the sun. If you look over on the next island, Tysnes, there the sun is, so we can see it. We see the sun. We see the effect of the sun there. And we have a live stream where we can go. Small trip. I can't go too far because we have the traffic. I forgot. Yes, I live beside the main road from Bergen to Stavanger. You see, here it goes. So, but I also live with a strange bush. I don't know about you, but I think it's nice. Can you get what bush it is? It is Christmas time. It might give you a clue. Look here. If I turn a bit around, what kind of bush is this? Growing in my backyard. Not mine, but it is still in the back of the house. See? Nice. And yeah. Now the ferry has arrived. The ferry from Bergen. Now you have cars enough. The cars want to come south, just like the birds in the winter. They like to fly south, many of them. They like to fly to warmer places. Wonder if I should do that. Maybe, sometime. Not now. I have a boat. I have a boat to build. And that is the goal. Build a boat to have a platform to show you the beautiful fjords of Norway in the beginning. Then we will expand to the world. How far? How fast? I don't know. It depends on so many things. Things cost money, and they have to come somewhere. So here I am, trying to, oops, going upside down. That's good. No? Now the main traffic is gone, and I'm back with almost silence. To make it simple to know what's inside the barn, we do this. Some of them do. No, that was before. But now, anyone guesses? White, saying bah. What can it be? Yes, it's my neighbor. You see, my neighbor. Nice friends. I don't know if you have met my neighbors. They're very nice. Good looking too. good looking too. Perhaps you can see it if you look carefully. What do we find inside that door? Yeah, my neighbor. Hello. Hope you have a nice day. Bah. My boat is not a monohull. It's not a catamaran. It's not even a trimaran. Oh, what can it be? What can it be? You will see. You will see. This place I really like to come down to. You will see why. You will see why I love coming down here. You see, I'm gonna just give a panel of what I like to see. Yeah. This is peaceful. This is so peaceful. What I like to see. Yeah. This is peaceful. This is so peaceful. It's a bit cold to sit down.